The Level 3 award in assessing vocational achievement is a UK Ofqual regulated qualification, recognised worldwide. This assessor qualification is suitable for tutors and assessors working within a college or training provider. If you also assess learning in a workplace, you may wish to enrol on the full CAVA qualification instead. We have qualified hundreds of assessors across a wide range of sectors, including engineering, construction, healthcare, first aid, health and beauty, aviation, and more. Our courses can be completed 100% remotely, self-paced, meaning you can enrol today and complete the course in a timeframe that suits you. The course has an overall deadline of 12 months. However, this can be extended if necessary. Learners gain access to extensive online training resources, and you are assigned a tutor who is available by email, phone, or Microsoft Teams. The first unit is theory-based. It is assessed through a written essay, which is approximately 2,500 words. We provide all the necessary learning resources to help you complete this, and your tutor will provide feedback if you need to resubmit it. The second unit is practical, where you will carry out assessments in a classroom or training environment. You need to complete 4 assessments in total, with access to 2 different learners. These assessments are typically theory-based, including written tasks, quizzes, or practical assessments conducted within the course. For each assessment you do, we require evidence of planning it, doing it, and providing feedback to the learner. This may include written evidence, photos, videos, audio, and more. One of your 4 assessments in each of the practical units must also be observed by a qualified assessor. If you don't have access to a qualified assessor, you can send a recording in for your ATC Training tutor to complete the observation remotely. Visit our website for further information or to enrol online today.